few weeks ago I did a repair on a gear of a set of metal rolls. I brazed a tooth back onto a gear. The lad came to pick it up and he actually brought not a present, he actually brought something for us. His father had a small metal worker lathe that he doesn't use anymore. It was no good to him, so he's given it to me. I'll show you, I'll get some video, I'll show you what it is. I'm not quite sure what to do with it. I can't sell it, you know, you don't sell things that have been given to you. It's too good to go into a giveaway. I think what I might do is put it on eBay, and any money I get for it, it'll be going to a charity. It'll all go to Macmillan Cancer Nurses. The lathe there now, I've got a motor that will run it quite nicely. If anybody's got any ideas as to how I could do it, I don't want to charge for tickets and run a raffle like that. I haven't got time. I'm not interested in that sort of thing. But I would like it to go to a good home, and also it is worth money, the money to go to a charity. Anyway, I'll show you the lathe, and if you can come back with any feedback, what you think may be a good idea, I'd really appreciate it. Right, so this is the lathe. It's ideal for a model maker, somebody that does real small work. There's another chuck and some different adapters for it as well. You can see it's been modified, there's been various bits and pieces done. It's had a carriage lock put on, it's had a carriage stop put on. It's quite a splendid little tool. The headstock bearings are really nice. A lot of it's aluminium, but the main bed is ground cast or ground steel. As I say, I'm not quite sure what to do with it. I can't sell it. It is worth money, I suppose, and I'd like the money to go to a charity. And the charity I'd like it to go to is Macmillan Nurses, because I've had dealings with them before. There's a lot of different accessories, there's loads of stuff you can get with it. Milling accessories, face plates, different pulleys. Like I say, I have got a motor that'll drive it as well. Once this ring's split, it'll slip over that lens, no problem. It's just about on there, but I don't want to push it on. What I think I'll do is I'll build up a little area with weld on there, just so I can put a pinch bolt in to clamp it. That should be enough weld build up on there. This could have been machined out of the solid using a rotary table on another machine, but for what it's for, this will work out alright. I'm just going to reface outer ends of it, and I put it in the milling machine and I can shape that block up and drill it and tap it for a retaining bolt. That's good TIG welding practice as well, building a square like that. As I keep saying, cool lathe. When it's slow to get the oil over the bearings, and it doesn't take long seconds. off the tool, trying to get a better finish on that. Idiot, you put it in the same way around, man, John. Tit. I'm going to take enough off to make it flat, that's all. I'll dress this block up with a file once I get it to shape. Yeah, it's pretty good. Right, that's not bad there. Not perfect, but not bad. Right, next thing is to drill through there and put tappet so I can put a cap head in. Simply mount it like that, and that's going to ensure it's nice and square. We'll find the centre of that. I'll probably just this side of the centre, drill it and tap it. Probably use 4mm. Right, the method I'm going to use for lining this up is the eyeball method. I reckon that's good. It's in the centre. That's where I want the hole. You can generally look and get within probably 5 to 10 thou with practice. I couldn't measure it, but for what it is, it's not super critical important. I'll go straight down here first with a tap and drill for 4mm. Right, that's a tap and drill for 4mm. WD-40 or kerosene's a good lubricant for aluminium. Right, this is the clearance drill for 4mm. It's going to go down for a depth of 10, so I'll just touch it off and I'll use the readout, the DRO scale to get to 10. Cancel the Z-axis. I think that's 10 mil. Right, I've got a milling cutter in here just to put a counter ball for the head of the cap screw. So the only time you've seen me using a milling cutter and a drill chuck. Of course it would have to be a blunt milling cutter, wouldn't it? A little bit more. Right, that's nice. I can tap that later on because that means I can use that hole as a guide for the 4mm tap. Right, it's now time to cut it in half. I'm going to use a slitting saw to cut it in half. Slitting saws haven't got a great life expectancy. Run them slow, very slow. It's just it's a rotating hacksaw blade, that's all it is. There's a little bit of run out on that, it doesn't matter because it's really slow. Aluminium's not too bad, it's a bit nerve-wracking cutting steel sometimes. I hope the blade's big enough diameter to get all the way through. I think it will be. If it was dull, it'll be just. Right, not quite. What we can do. Just about, but not quite. Right, that's it through. Right, this needs deragging still and a little bit of cleaning up, but basically it should slip over there nicely, which it does. That'll nip up onto there. Right, now it's going nowhere, so that's the first part. once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishers that come in. Anyway, thanks for watching.